Hello everyone, my name is Samyak Ajmera and my topic of presentation is the industry that is sometimes life-saving and life-changing. Yes, the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical industry that discovers, develops, produces and markets drugs with the aim to cure patients, to eliminate their symptoms and to vaccinate them. The pharmaceutical industry in India was valued at an estimated of 42 billion in 2021, which makes India the world's largest provider of generic medicines by volume with a 20% share of the total global pharmaceutical export. With the rapid growth of this industry, there comes bigger problems that are hazardous in nature. In this presentation, I have briefly covered the environmental hazards that are created by the pharma industry and the reason behind this problem created by the pharmaceutical industry. The following are the hazards posed by pharma industry: flammable and combustible material used during the production of medicines. Combustible and flammable materials present within pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities causes uncontrolled fires, leading to extensive and often costly property damage. Accidents involving flammable materials also lead to serious and potentially fatal worker injury. Hazardous chemicals. Working with handling and transporting and storing chemicals is a primary component of the pharmaceutical manufacturer's workday. Many chemicals used in both primary and secondary processing can be extremely hazardous to human health if accidentally ingested or inhaled. Biological hazards. The pharmaceutical industry continues to make a rapid advance in the prevention and treatment of infectious pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. To drive this innovation, pharmaceutical workers, scientists, and researchers must routinely handle these hazardous organisms along with any chemical and material needed for the development of the vaccine and other type of medicines. While dealing with these kinds of biological hazards, scientists and research workers get exposed to these bacteria and viruses, which is sometimes so dangerous that can lead to their death. Carbon monoxide exposure. Carbon monoxide can develop as a byproduct of certain chemical reactions. This odorless and colorless gas is toxic to humans and causes dizziness, weakness, vomiting, and even death when inhaled. Exposure to UV rays. We typically think of ultraviolet radiation in the context of sunlight. However, the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry may use UV radiation for operations such as vitamin D production, and exposure to this UV radiation leads to an increased risk of cataracts, skin cancers, burns on the eyes and skin. The particular and major problem I selected for briefing is pharmaceutical pollution. Causes of pharmaceutical pollution, their effects on environment, and effective solution to these problems are listed. The causes of pharmaceutical pollution are the drug we use and how they are injected and expelled, healthcare institutions and their mismanagement of medicine, drug manufacturers and mismanagement of medicines caused by them, drugs used in agriculture and agro products, humans' domestic drug use and disposed behavior. These problems causes various effects on environment. Some of them are as follows. Effects on fish and aquatic life, disrupting the normal operation of the sewagery process. Effects on drinking water, antibiotic resistance, and various long-term effects on environment. Solution to pharmaceutical pollution are as follows: proper drug disposal, tougher regulation, additional research to the potential danger of the pharmaceutical pollution, limit bulk purchase, trashing medicine instead of flushing it.